Welcome to Homework Lib.
So I like how they explicitly tell you some of these values, like the -8 over here, the -4, because if it's not very clear, it makes the problem very difficult. And then 3, and then there's one more at 8, somewhere over here. And that graph is, going up and then back down. And I try to make it so you can see, trying to make it to scale 3, and then goes down here to the 8 value and then up. And what they talked about it being a polynomial, so that makes sense. Okay, so the first one is increasing. So f is increasing. I'm just going to say when it moves up and right. And so as you're looking at all the options on when we're moving up and right, that's that first region, and then this middle one, and then all the way to the end. So in interval notation, check the box that says -infinity to -8. There's a little box there. And then again from -4 to 3, check that box. And then again from 8 to infinity, check that box. And then the next one is the local max at which x values. Well, that's where it changes from increasing to decreasing. So I'm just going to write out the numbers and point them out. I hope you agree that -8 is increasing to decreasing. 3 is also from increasing to decreasing. So then what's the sign of the leading coefficient? All you have to hone in on is the ending up and right. So anytime, doesn't matter what kind of function it is, if x goes to the right and the function goes up, we have to have a positive leading coefficient. Now this last question, I'm kind of on the fence on answering, because what I always tell students is count the turning points. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 turning points. I write 4 TP. And then the degree is one more than that. It's 4 plus 1. It would be 5. So I would only click the box that says 5. But then it says possibility for the degree, choose all that apply. That maybe that's not the only correct answer. So it might be possible that they're trying to get you to realize it's an odd degree because we have O opposite end behavior. One's going up, the other end's going down. In which case it could be 5, 7, or 9. So let me just kind of put a box around it. That might be the other answer that they're looking for. But in my opinion, 5 is the best answer.